Good morning to all of you. Today I Sujata here for 8th standard. I wish you happy new year, and we are going to start our syllabus from reader book. So this is chapter number 19, India's heroes. Okay, India's hero means there are some persons who struggle for India. Okay, so before starting this chapter, we are going to discuss something written here. Peace is not a relationship of nations. Okay, it is a condition of mind brought about a serenity of soul. Peace is not merely the absence of war, it is also a state of mind, written by Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, some words written by George Bernard Shaw, that is, peace is not only better than war, but infinitely more arduous. Arduous means difficult. Okay. Martin Luther King had written, peace is not merely distant goal that we seek, but a means by which we arrive the goal. Okay, there are some word meanings you go through, and we are going to start this chapter that different people react differently when faced with the danger. The terrorist attack on the unsuspecting people of Mumbai on 26 November 2008 threw up several brave hearts. So this chapter is about that, how we are going to concern our nation. The students fidgeted and shifted in their seats as Mrs. Rita Bura entered the classroom. She gave them a few seconds to settle down, but an air of thrill and enthusiasm prevailed. So here they are going to address the eager students of class 8A. Okay. So first she asked, how many of you are ready with your speeches on what you would like to be when you grow up? So students are going to speak what they want to be in future. So they have prepared their speeches according to some India heroes like Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, in this way. All 40 hands went up. So everyone raised their hand together. In unison means together. Mrs. Bura breathed clearly. This assignment had not been a tryst. Tryst means uninteresting task. So everybody is going to participate very curiously. Okay, wonderful. Mrs. Bura said, remember that it does not have to be a profession. You can also speak of someone whom you would like to be. So if you like to be something, you are going to be choose your role model, mentor, you can speak on like that. Okay, so even it isn't a particular trait, quality that you admire or emulate. Emulate means copy. Okay, a crackle of sheet was heard as students hurriedly arranged the pages which they have written in their assignments. They were eager to speak in front of their classmates. One of their, it was Ajit Basu's turn first. He spoke of how wanted to become the best cricketer in the world, and the cricketer name is Sachin Tendulkar. He was his idol. He followed by Gayatri Chabra, who said that she wanted to be a social worker like her mother, and Sanjay Damle elaborated on thrill of flying an airplane with an air and clouds as his terrain. The class listened in rapt attention. Rapt means hurried attention, very attentive. They are listening each and every children, like someone is speaking on actors, sports stars, politician, and so. When Kabir got up to speak, his hand shook slightly. He was like this. He was moving, and beads of perspiration appeared on his forehead. He was accustomed to facing the entire class, speaking out loud. He knew that he did not have a flair for making speeches. However, he had worked hard on his assignment, but he had written very well. He was little bit nervous in this situation, and he did not focus on one person, profession, or quality. It was a combination of trait and people from different walk of life, people who had stirred Kabir's heart. Clearing his thought, he began. When I grow up, I wanted to be like Lieutenant Colonel Skalp Kumar, who was martyred fighting militants at Guri, Jammu and Kashmir on 5th December 2014. A hush fell over the class. Everybody going to see this person, Kabir. When I grow up, I wanted to be a brave like Major Sandeep Unikrishnan, the young National Security Guard NSG commando who laid down his life fighting the terrorists in Mumbai in November 2008. Kabir continued here. There was pin drop silence in the class. No one moved. No one uttered a word. No one is speaking a single word. All of them kept looking at Kabir without blinking. Blinking means they are not moving their even eyes. Everybody is listening with very attention. Sandeep Unikrishnan had made up his mind when he was in class 3 that he wanted to join the army. When he joined the army, he served 2 tenures with his battalion in Korea insurgency and counter-terrorism operations. Before becoming a part of the NSG in January 2007, Major Unikrishnan was deployed on the 27th of November to clear Hotel Taj terrorists.